Hi all, welcome back to my channel PySpark Pulse. So in this video we'll be discussing more on data frame transformation, and in this video I have picked up two transformation, that is data frame with column and with column renamed. Okay, so with column transformation, so df with column transformation is a PySpark data frame transformation method used to add or update columns. We can add a new column to the existing data frame, or we can update an existing column in a data frame. Okay. Let's discuss some of the use cases. To add a new column, we can use df.withColumn, new column, let default value. Okay, and anything else we can add, like we can modify the existing column also. Here, see transform existing column, df.withColumn, updated column, call existing column, multiply by 2. So the value will be doubled. Conditional column addition, df.withColumn status when call value greater than 0, type positive, otherwise non-positive. Okay, you want to do some analysis on the review. Okay, typecasting df.column integer call double call dot cast integer. The typecasting the double call into integer call. The multiple operation in sequence with column temp column call value start to with column final call temp value plus one draw temp from column for a specific client. You know Requirement, he might ask to do some this kind of transformation, so this also can be done with the help of with column. We can do concatenation of multiple columns using this full name concat call first column dot lit this and call last name. You can also use concat underscore ws with separator, right? That I will discuss with hands-on when we'll do in a Databricks example. I will check that. Okay, now this df dot with column rename, df dot with column rename is the PySpark transformation or method type which is used to rename the existing column of the data frame. We can use rename single column, rename multiple column at once. You can see df dot with column rename call one, new call one with column rename two, call two, new call two. Okay, to add prefix or suffix addition, df dot with column rename call prefix plus call. Okay, so this can also be done. So now let's move to our Databricks notebook and do the hands-on. So this is our data frame notebook uh, on transformation with column. So we are importing necessary libraries here, the window library, the window function, and also importing all the SQL function as if. And this is sample data, and these are the columns: ID, first name, last name, salary, transaction date, and we are creating DF data frame out of this data and column. Let me run this cell. The cluster is running. So we can check the first use case out of with column. Add a new column, right? So we are adding a bonus column out of the salary column, multiplying it with 0 with 1, 0.1. Let us run and see the output. You can see the salary was 5,000 and bonus is 500 multiplied by 0.1, and it is giving the expected output. This is a syntax for that. Bonus f dot call salary asterisk 1. Okay. Now update an existing column. We are updating the salary column multiplied by with 1.1. See, the salary is 1.1 times of the previous salary. We can do this condition column addition. When salary is greater than 6,000, then give bonus as 200, otherwise give 0. Okay. See, Johnson was having salary of 7,000, so he's having bonus of 200, and John and Alice, they're having bonuses at 0. Combining column. Here we have used concat ws, that is with separator. Separator is space, first name, last name. Okay. See, full name column we are getting. Then there's string manipulation we can do if you want to do any string as upper or lower, whatever. See, first name John, as everything has become up in upper letter. So we can also do lower. Just we have to replace this with lower, and every column will be in the lower letter. Then date manipulation. Next week, like we are adding 7 days to the transaction date. Okay, see it is 15, now it is 22, 20, 27. So like this we can do date manipulation as well. Casting it as new salary as we are casting it as int. Okay, it is casted as int. Maybe another column if you want to know. It might be in a double type, so that we can cast as int. That's one example I've given. Short name. We are using the substring function and taking the value from 1 to 3. Short name. John becomes JOH, Alice become ALI, Bob remains Bob because it is only of 3 letters. Now calculating bonus based on salary. I think this we have already checked. And the salary is getting 6,000. Yeah, this we have already checked. Now transforming date format. You can check this. F dot date format function is here, date format function, and we are providing the column that you want to transform and then the format. This you can Google it. How many types of date format is there and what are the letters denoting that format? Okay, you can see here. Year was at the first. Now here we come at the last. For with column rename, like it is not very. It is very important function, but like a lot of examples cannot be given on this because like all the functions are very similar only. So one example I'm given. See, your transaction date will become txn date. Transaction date has become txn date. So that's all for this video. I hope you like the content of this video, and if you have any doubt and if you have anything, any question related to this topic, you can post in comments. I will try to answer that. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. And I will be also posting the interview question on this with column transformation. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye.